Hello everybody, look what I've come across, another wrist exercise workout. The way to use this, you hold it like you're riding a bike, have a weight attached to the bottom, not much, 1 kg to start off with, and then roll it all the way up, then back down again. With this one, you can train your fingers like Bruce Lee, make your fingers strong. So there's a clip here, and you press on it and then take the pole out. This pole is quite weighty, it's about 3 kg. Once you take it off, you get left with the round thing, so you can work on your fingers like Bruce Lee. Forgot to mention, you can roll it on the floor to work on your abs. But going back to what I was saying, so you grip it with both hands like this and roll it up and then turn it back down. So second grip it like that with the both hands and turn it up until the weight comes to the top, and then turn it back down. Good quality plastic. Pole is heavy, good quality as well, nice grip, and also it's got a good clip, strong. It is quite weighty. It's a good thing, maybe start off without the weights. Plus it's got a good quality rope, and highly recommend this to you. Whoever made it is a genius. Anything got to do with wrist, elbows, your joints, with them being strong, you'll be pushing a lot more than what you're doing now. I'll leave all the information on the description box below. So guys, please like, share, subscribe. Hope this video helped. Thank you very much for watching, and take care.